Hey first graders, this is Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy, and today we're going to work on Module 2, Lesson 7. Let's see what our objective is. Make 10 when one addend is 8. So make 10 when one addend is 8. So one of the numbers that you're adding is 8, and you want to make a 10 with that other number. Okay. Here's our word problem. Peter has 8 books. Right here, 8. And Willie has 5 books. How many books do they have all together? And whenever we see this, how many do they have all together? That tells me to add these two numbers together, 5 and 8. Okay. What are some different ways that we can solve this problem? We could count on. We could make a 10 with the 5. We could make a 10 with the 8. Let's use the strategy counting on. So say it with 8 in your head. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Counting on, get 13. Make 10 with 8. So look at this strategy. We have 8 and we have 5. And we want to make a 10. Make the 8 a 10. So what we can do is we can take 2 over here and pull them over here. And now we have 10. And this is a 10 frame. Everyone say that with me. 10 frame. One more time. 10 frame. Very good. So this is a 10 frame because there are 10 in a frame. Okay. And now how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So our equation is now 10 plus 3 equals 13. So we said 8 plus 5, and then we went to 10 plus 3, and they both have the same answer. How many books do Peter and Willie have? 13 books. Okay, let's look at this one. On your personal whiteboard, draw 5 groups to show how many books Peter has. So 8 plus 3. You do it on your whiteboard or a piece of paper. I'm going to do it on mine, and let's see if we get the same, okay? Got my marker ready here. So in 5 groups, that means 5 across, and then if you need more, you do another however many more underneath. Does your whiteboard look like mine? You could always put the 10 frame around it if you wanted. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we want to make a 10. So I'm going to bring this one and bring it over here. And I'm going to bring this one over here too. Okay? So now I have 10 plus just 1 equals 11. Okay. Get back to our PowerPoint. Okay, so they did the same thing that we did. We did 8 and we did 3. And then we brought 2 over here. We had 10 plus 1. Same thing that we did. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. 10 plus 1 equals 11. So these two equations equal. They are the same value because they both equal 11. So they are equal. Okay, let's look at this problem. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. Go ahead and draw that on your whiteboard. Now I'm going to give you a second to do that. We're drawing 8 plus 6. Show it. Remember to draw in your 5 groups. Okay, if you need more time, please pause this video. Look at that. We have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is this how your 8 looks? And we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that how yours looks? Just like this? And then we brought 2 over to fill out our 10 frame, okay? So we want to get 10, so we need 2 more. When we have 8, it's 2 more to get to 10. So we took 2 over here to make 10, and now we have 4 left. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 10 plus 4 equals 14. So these two equations equal each other. Okay, here's your next problem. 4 plus 8. Go ahead and write it out on your piece of paper or on your whiteboard. Make sure you're drawing in 5 groups to show how many books there are. Okay, friends, if you need more time, please pause the video. Does yours look like this? We have 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We're making a 10 with the 8. So how many more do we need over here? 1, 2. The 10 frame makes it really easy to see how many more we need because when the 10 frames all filled in, there are 10 in here. So we're missing 1, 2. There. Now we have a group of 10. And how many are left over here? 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. These two numbers have the same answer. Okay, last one, friends. 8 plus 8. Go ahead and write this on your paper or your whiteboard. 8 plus 8. Make sure you're drawing in your 5 groups. Now I'm going to give you a second to write this out. Okay, if you need more time, please pause this video. Okay, so we have 8 and we have 8. And 8 plus 8 equals 16. What I want you to do, which this is a little different than what we did before, is now I want you to make a 10 with one of your 8s. So look and see how many more do you need to make a 10. I see we need 1, 2. So go ahead and take 2 from one of them and bring them on over here and cross them out or erase them so that you can make a 10. I want to make sure you guys are able to do this by the end of the video. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. There we go. We bring 2 over and we're left with 6 over here. And 10 plus 6 equals 16. So 8 plus 8 equals 16. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Okay. That's all for today. You guys worked so hard. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.